United 940, yeah, we're going to declare emergency. Is there, and also we'd like to, is there anywhere you can dump fuel? Dump 14,000 pounds of fuel.
Can you, well, the emergency is declared at the moment. Turn right, heading of 270. We're going to aim you towards Sparta VOR. If that works for you, we can dump the fuel over there. I got no one out there.
Alright, perfect. Alright, right 270, and then we'll work on the schedule. Emergency present.
Yes, and nature of the emergency at the moment?
Yeah, we're going to use vectors the whole night so we can get back to Newark.
Yeah, no problem. We're gonna evacuate. We'll do that over near the Sparta VOR. Expect vectors away from my other traffic, and eventually need the nature, souls, and fuel, and all that stuff. We'll get that in a little bit. You're good so far?
Yeah, good so far. It's just we lost all of our navigation and all this other stuff.
All right, understand. Lost all navigation. You can take vectors, so we're gonna be fine with all that, and we'll work on it for you. United 940 Heavy, turn right, heading of 300.
Right, 300, United 940 Heavy.
United 940 Heavy, on the current heading, you would like to start dumping fuel. It's approved. Just let me know if you're doing so I can make a broadcast. I have no one on via for many thousands of feet there.
Okay, I'm sorry, last part. Tell you what?
Just let me know if you plan on doing it there or if you want a certain pattern somewhere, but I have no one underneath you for several thousand. There's no one underneath you at all now. They're moving out of the area.
And that's what you know when we start.
Yeah, let me know.
Alright, New York, United 940, start fuel jet.
United 940 Heavy, thank you. Central Aircraft, fuel dumping about 10 miles west of the Carmel VOR, northwestbound out of 14,000 by Boeing 767 heading. United 940 Heavy, when able, souls on board, and I guess the amount of fuel they'll have left over for the fuel dump will be fine.
Okay, souls on board, we have 228, and fuel remaining, we'll call it 9 hours.
Yeah, 940 Heavy, thank you, and let me know when this will commence. How long do you think?
I'm thinking probably another 5 minutes.
Thank you. United 940 Heavy, left turn heading up 260. Central Aircraft, fuel dumping in progress, 20 miles northeast of Sparta VOR out of 14,000 by Heavy Boeing 767.
And New York, United 940 is fuel testing.
United 940 Heavy, roger, and you'd like to start the return now. We'll start working on vectors for the return to Newark.
Yes, please.
United 940 Heavy, clear to Newark via radar vectors, heading of 240, descend and maintain 11,000.
Alright, left 240 down to 11, left 940.
United 940 Heavy, continue the left turn heading 200, 200 heading down to maintain 7,000.
200 down 7,000.
United 940 Heavy, New York approach 128.55.
265, thank you for your help.
Have a good night.
United 940 emergency aircraft out of 112,000, same 7,000.
940 Heavy, New York approach, roger, descend and maintain 5,000, expect, how do you want to land tonight? Are you able to the ILS approach, you want to do the visual?
No, ILS 22 left, please.
The ILS 22 left, turn left, heading a 100. 49 Heavy, maintain 6,000, contact 12085, good day.
United 940 emergency aircraft out of 112,000, same 7,000.
940 Heavy, New York approach, roger, descend and maintain 5,000, expect, how do you want to land tonight? Are you able to the ILS approach, you want to do the visual?
No, ILS 22 left, please.
The ILS 22 left, turn left, heading a 100. 49 Heavy, maintain 6,000, contact 12085, good day.
185, Navy 149. 185, Navy 149.
Tower United 940 Heavy emergency aircraft on the ILS 22 land.
United 940 Heavy, Newark Tower. Good evening, wind 2705, runway 22 left, clear to land and constantly turbulence. A heavy dream liner with departure parallel.
Roger, clear to land 22 left, United 940 Heavy.
Good day, and United 940 Heavy, do you require any assistance?
Negative, United 940.
Okay, United 940 Heavy, and you would like to just taxi back to park there?
And affirmative, gate 110.
Gate 110, okay, United 940 Heavy, November, cross runway 22 right, then join Alpha to the ramp with me.
Cross to the right at November, join Alpha to the ramp. With you, United 940 Heavy.